how to log into Spotify on another device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into Spotify on another device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it doesn't matter whether you're trying to log in on a new device or an existing device, because you can't just log in using a QR code. You have to enter the email and password manually in order to log into the account. For example, you can see I'm logged into this account, but let's say I want to log in another account. What I need to do first is you can just try to log out of that other device first, and now if you want to log in, go ahead and then just make sure to enter your email or username and then enter your password, hit the login option, and then you will be able to successfully log in. But as I said, it doesn't work like you want to connect the QR code or something like that, because regardless of whichever device you're trying to logging into, you need to have your email and password to log in. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.